now I'm gonna do Christmas and other holidays or whatever, see what I can get done. This is the only thing I really have started for Christmas, and I started it a long time ago. It's kind of my to-go kit, like when I go to the car to get my car fixed or serviced, or if I have to wait anywhere, I can do a small one of these. I'm gonna do them separately. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it or not. I'm really not into it anymore. My grandkids are too old to use it, and I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. I'm still thinking about it. And then I have kitted up and ready to go The North Pole by Kathy Barrick. I don't have the fabric, but I'll probably do it on 36 count, and I've got a neutral somewhere, but I really like this Santa, so I want to get that one done. And then there's two in here, and I've got all the fabric and kit and fabric and everything for these two. It's Rudolph and Friends by With a Needle and Thread, and Santa Stop Here, also by With a Needle and Thread. And a very cute bag, I think one of my friends made for me or gave to me. Then I bought this one last year, and I thought it would be easy to do because it's all one color. And you know, who doesn't love a good, you know, Christmas Bethlehem, but I thought that would be kind of cool to do. And I'm just going to do it with 310. Oh, 3371. I'm sorry, 3371. And I have a dark neutral somewhere in my stash, I'm sure. And then this one I bought last year too, and I want to get started this year. I'll probably start next month maybe. It's called Amazing Grace Little White Church. There's a lady here in Texas, I watch her floss tube. She's a calculated stitcher, and she was doing it, and I really loved it. And so I ordered a kit right away, and it comes with this fabric with Amazing Grace on it. So you stitch the church and stuff, you know, with that fabric. And it's, oh, cinnamon and coffee. You should smell it. It smells delicious, the fabric. Anyway, so that I'm excited to start this year. Another cute bag that someone gave me. And then the rest of the stuff I have are kits that my mom had that I want to work on. They're like Christmas ornaments, dimensions kits. You know, I have to make ornaments for all my sisters and brothers. I stopped doing them for my nieces and nephews. I don't think they're all into it that much. But then I also started making the beaded, they're actually kind of fun to do on perforated paper. So I've got 3 of those to do. One of them was my mom's. This one I bought this year. I bought this one this year. No, this one this year. And then this was one of my mom's. And then my mom always made these cards, and I found these kits in her pile to do these cards. So I got to get busy with Christmas, I think, here pretty soon. All right. That's Christmas. Oh, and then also I bought this. It's wool, though. It's not cross-stitch, but it's a wool kit. I look at it and I think, oh, that's so much work, and I put it away. I mean, it's not like wool work. It's just the cutting, the prep work that takes forever. And then let's see. That was all I have for Christmas, kitted and whips, whatever. Not really whips. Here's another thing I've kitted for April. It's called April Basket. Let me take out the bag. Wow, it's one of those funky bags. I don't even know how to start. But anyway, it's a real simple with daffodils and a kind of a Delft blue base. I think that'd be cute for spring. And then I did this Valentine one already, the February. I just did the February part. I didn't do the love one. I just did the February. And I also have the March one. And I think I'm just going to do the March. But I kind of like one of those little squares, but I've got it all kitted and ready to go too. So I just have that one bag. And then, I don't know, I went to some winter thing last year. I bought a box of, stuff, and it came with all these patterns, all the fabric, all the accessories you need to finish it. I'll probably do one of them. I kind of like the first one I showed, the cardinal and the round. It says January. I'll probably do that one only, but who knows? I have so much to do. And then I've got this One Nation by Samplers Not Forgotten. It's kitted. It was from the Threads of History Club kit when I belonged to the Threads of History Club a couple years ago. I got a lot of those when you see the sampler pile. And then I've got Grace on Thee. It's all kitted up. Fabric, threads. And then, of course, I just got this, the Faded Flag. Everybody's been doing this one. But it came with all the velvet or the velour and everything else to go with it. It was a kit through Country House or Country Houses, whatever. Here's another Stitching with the Housewives 4th of July. I've done the fall, I've done the spring, and I did the winter. I want to do this one for summer. Because I have the one frame and I just change out the frame. Or I just pop the pictures in and I've got everything in here. Fabric, scissors, everything. And then this one, it's also been kitted with silks, with dinky dyes, needlepoint silks, and just dinky dyes and needlepoint silk. And it is, of course, Texas Bluebonnets. Got it at the local quilt store here. Should be super simple to do. It's really fast. Put that on my little, I don't know if you can see my new thing there that says Texas. It's a pottery, and then right next to is a little bowl that says New Braunfels. And then I just got this one, the Animal Crackers Bobbin. It's a kit, full kit with fabric and everything to finish it. Just need the spool, which I have a couple of those. And then I bought this a long time ago to go with my summer stuff. It's, I got all the citrusy stuff, so I thought this was pretty cute. It's also done on perforated paper with beads and buttons, so it should be fun and quick to do. Although it is full coverage, so I don't know about quick. And then, let's see. I got this Home Sweet Home, the Little Wren. It's all kitted up, even has a floss ring. Another kit, Mill Hill kit with beads and stuff. I don't think it is on perforated paper. But who doesn't like what dogs, be the person your dog thinks you are. I think I bought this for Jeff at one point. But I think I like it and I'll keep it and I'll make it for me because, I love my dogs. I have this one called Bobbin' Along. It's a drum. Also a kit, came along with everything. The velvet, the stuff to go around. So that should be fun. And then I have the Dutch Rose kit. Fabric, thread, everything to finish it. Ribbon even for around the, the thing. I don't know why I like flowers for spring. And then started, and I don't know if this is a sampler or kind of Christmassy, but I don't know. It's Newcastle Boutique. I've got quite a bit of it started. Let me show you. It's a biggie. It's bigger than I thought it was, but I've got this much done so far. So, I don't know, can you see? I don't know, I'm showing up. That's a pretty one. I love this one. I've loved this one for a long time. And then another one started, and it's the seasonal one. That's why I have it here, because it's kind of multi-seasonal. It's this the 3 season one by Blackbird Designs. There's autumn, summer, and winter. And all I have left to do is winter, because I have done the first 2. Oh, hold it right side up, would be helpful, right? There. And that's it for now, because I can only get so many minutes to upload. But anyway, I've got samplers that to do, so talk to you later. Bye.